Today is Saturday.
No, Mom, I can do it.
Okay. Okay, you have one. Magamay madako, Madam Sir. Hala, nak, you need help? Hala, gyun sa mana nimo. Do you see?
So much.
Sige na. Hold. Ay, naki.
Aside.
Kurot na tong 1 minute, hala. Wait sa. Alright, Elvie got it. And you want magamay madako? Yaya ka lang. Another yaya ka lang to. Alright, to Madam Sir. Okay, congrats to Julianne Dukinla. You are the yaya ka lang for tonight's recipient, or God bless. Yaya start. Good night, guys. Congratulations. Sends ko na po ang amuang pakuan pa Gcash. Ciao.